Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today tutorial is beautiful crochet collar. Today I'm going to show you very easy way to make a crochet collar. I hope you all like this tutorial and you can make this collar very easily. I love this crochet collar design, so let's get started. In this project, I use this perfect pear yarn. It's really pretty color shade, pink, baby pink and blue. So first row, I'll make a slip knot and then I'll making some chain. This collar divided by 7 row. So this is the first row. When I'm done first row, then I'll start at second one. So you can see I am done first row. Now I'll start at row number 2. Now I'm starting row number 2. First I make a double crochet in the chain stitch number 3, then another double crochet in the next chain stitch. Now I make a double crochet in the next chain stitch. Now I am doing an increase double crochet in the same chain stitch. So after 2 double crochet, I'll increase 1 double crochet. So this is the number 2. I maintain this stitch until finish this row. So this is the look. After finish round 2, I'll show you. I finish round 2. Now I'll show you how it's look. So you can see it's look a round shape now. That's why I increase. So now it's really round color. Now I'm started row number 3. 3 chain and 4 double crochet. Now it's 4 chain, 1 single crochet after 3 chain. So I'm maintaining this same stitch until finish this row. This is the look. After finish this row, I'll show you how it's look. I am almost done. In the end, I make a 4 chain and 5 double crochet. So I'm done. Row number 3, now row number 4. So 3 chain, 4 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet and 4 double crochet. Now 5 chain and 1 single crochet, 5 chain, 1 single crochet in the next space. So I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this row. This is very easy. stitch, but it's look really beautiful. So this is the look after finish this row. I'll show you. So I finish this row. You can see it's so beautiful. Now row number 5, 3 chain and 5 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet and 5 double crochet. Now 6 chain and 1 single crochet into the next space. Then again 6 chain and 1 single crochet. So I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this row. So I am increasing 1 chain in every row. You can see first row was 4 chain, then 5 chain, now is 6 chain. So this is the look. When I finish this row, I'll show you. So I finished this row number 5. Now I'll start at row number 6. Row number 6 is 3 chain and 5 double crochet. Now 7 chain and 1 single crochet in the next space. Again 7 chain and 1 single crochet in the next space. Again 7 chain and 1 single crochet in the next space. So this is the look. I maintain the same stitch until finish this row. I finish this row. You can see it's so pretty, so beautiful. Now I'm start row number 7. 3 chain and 6 double crochet. Now 2 chain, 4 double crochet in this space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet and 4 double crochet. Now chain 3, 1 slip stitch into the first chain and 4 double crochet, the same space. Look at this one, it's so beautiful, so pretty. Now I'm doing a single crochet in the next space. Now I'm doing double crochet for 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and 4 double crochet. Now 3 chain and 1 slip stitch into the first chain. Now again 4 double crochet, now 1 single crochet into the next space. So I'm maintaining same stitch until finish this final row. So I'm done this final row, and you can see it's so beautiful design. I hope you'll like this color. Now I cut the yarn and I'll lock by this needle. In the back side I'm doing lock. This one is really important for every crochet product. Now I'm cutting extra yarn, tail, and this is the look. This is shade color, that's why it's look more beautiful. I love color. This is the pearl bottom, so I put it down here with my hand stitch. I'm done. Now I finished my whole work. You can see this way, then front side. It's so beautiful, and I love this yarn too. This yarn is really pretty, and I love to work with this yarn. So this is the final look. I hope you will like this color, and you can make very easily if you see my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you subscribe my channel, thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. And I have a lot of video in my YouTube channel about this crochet collar. You can check this out in my channel, and I'll give all my collar video link in my description box below, so please check description box. Bye.